Oh, jolly, jolly, it brings me jolly. Yes, mahal na mahal ko yung Jollibee. Guys, na-miss ko na guys yung Jollibee. So for today's video, we're going to do unpacking from Jollibee. Someone did give it to me. It's not a sponsor. Oh my god, my eyes. I know it's terrible, but it's because of the valuable I hit my eyebrow. So someone sneezed, my teammates, but it's fine. I mean, everyone. I'll be okay. I'll be fine. Oh my god. I didn't know that there was a French fries. I could have eaten this. Oh my god. Is it still? Okay. I still can do it. Meron pa naman. Hindi pa naman makunat. So, this is the Jolly French fries. So, actually, it's better. Pembroke Pines Jollibee, you did well. I love that one. This one. French fries. And of course, what is this? This one. There is rice meal. Ah! I love it! This is the burger steak from Jollibee. My God, tangina, I have all this. Alam nyo guys, kung sino nagbigay nito, ito yung tao na nagbigay nito is in love na in love talaga sa akin. Sabi ko, ay gusto ko na Jollibee. Always na siya pupunta ng Jollibee, binibigyan niya ako. Hey, ganda ko. Sangka, may pasa ako. So this one, it's actually a gravy. Gaga, huwag naman tayo mabobo, gravy na lang nga eh. And then this one, saktong-sakto because I have a lot of rice here. So potato mashed potato. Makakain ko ba ito lahat? And of course, now I have chicken joy! Ah! And of course, biscuits. I mean like American love biscuits, guys. If you don't know the biscuits, they look like this. They look like hopia or something. And of course, spicy chicken. And there is one more. So, Jolly Hamburger! Ipagat! Diba? Sarap nito, guys! My God! Pasensya na. Na-excited lang ako. Kasi lasa niya it tastes like hamburger from the Philippines. That's all what he gives me. That person. Diba? Oh my God, Jollibee! Sana naman. Please. Miami, please. Pembroke Pines is so... It takes so long to get there. People will love here. Actually. So, thank you for all of this. Oh my God. May mga french fries na nakalagay dito. So, kakainin natin. Kasi wala pong Jollibee dito. So, mga be, that's all for today. May Jollibee tayo dito. Tapos dito sa kusina ko. Ang dami talagang kanin. So you know what I'm going to do. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much, Jollibee. Hindi talaga to sponsor. Walang sponsor. Ang bad. Pero nakakamiss lang. Naalala nyo? Sa mga Pilipino dyan na naglalasing. Tapos tambay. Pero may pera kayo. Nabugbog kayo sa labas, tapos sa loob ng kayo babahay. May pasak kayo. Mag-order na lang kayo, magpapano. Yung alam mo yung drive-thru, Jollibee. Hindi nyo kakainin sa Jollibee, kakainin sa bahay mo. So, ayan na siya. Nag-write ako ng songs ko. Patapos na. Pero practice ko na lang yung melody ng song. So, pero, kailangan ko mag-feel yung hometown ko. Kaya sabi, bibisita ako dyan. Sabi ko, magdala ka na ng Jollibee, day. Maganda tayo. Dinalahan na tayo ng Jollibee. dinalahan tayo ng Jollibee. Gusto ng buhok ko pero Jollibee, I love you. I love you all. Sa mga nakaka-appreciate ng Jollibee, you know what I mean. Ang pangit ko, Bi. Nagsawa ka na talaga. Ay naku, magsawa ka na. Ang pangit ang pinapanood nyo, anyway, dahil lang sa volleyball. Volleyball pa more. Nasiko or natuhod. Di ko alam kung ano nangyari sa kilay ko. Nakita ko na lang pag dive ko talaga, 3 kaming gumanon. Tapos nakita ko na lang lumipad yung sunglasses ko. May naramdaman naman ako, pero hindi ko naramdaman nung nag-game kami. Hala, tapos sabi ko, sabi ng friend ko, mayroon ka sa eyes. Hindi ko talaga chinek. So anyway, natural na magkaroon niya ng pasa kasi may nakadisgrasya sa atin na hindi man lang nag-sorry sa ka-teammate ko na yon. Fuck you ka. Sino man yon, hindi ka nag-sorry. Anyway, eto, salamat sa panonood nyo kahit na nakita nyo akong ganito. For sure may magiging meme kapag sikat na ako, may ganito ako. Wala akong pake kasi yan. Ayan. Yan na yan. Yan na yung nangyari. wala na akong may magagawa kasi maganda ako. Hindi, tingnan nyo. Savage. Sino nakita nyo yung pangit? I mean, sino nakita nyo okay na mukha kahit may pasa? Diba? Naiya naman ako baka sabihin ng tao binugbog ako. Hindi talaga ako binugbog, tignan mo yan. Hindi ko may pasa, wako pake. Wako L. Love you.